we also have the area taken up by each jump. If we dive into 3D view and pan around, getting the lie of the land, we can see we have elevations. For example, if I select a point, anywhere on this shape, we can see the X, the Y, the Z. We can see this number here, which signifies the elevation. I can get a cross section between any 2 points. And there we go, we have the rise and run. I can get the gradient and the angle too, like so. All this information helping to create an accurate estimate, and therefore a more informed and accurate estimation of costs can be made on materials, labour, etc. Decisions can be made on the type of concrete and ratios due to the slope of the ramps, etc. Almost instantly, with your years of experience, you will know this once you see the information right there in the palm of your hand. And how long did I take to get to this point? Let me see. Over 4,000 square foot, plus all the area of the jumps, and 10 minutes later, I'm all done here. I can email this drawing off to myself, or a client, or whoever it may concern. We have multiple file types for that. DXF for 3D applications like SketchUp Pro, AutoCAD. Other file types like PDF, SVG, CSV, CSV++. So we know we can print it off. It will land nicely into the workflow of other software programs like Dynarscape, Vectorworks, ArcSight, the whole works. All of this, and there is more than I can show you today, all bundled into this tough little box called Moasure.